Hey, welcome back to Nomadik Customs. This build is actually not going to be completed yet. We're starting off and we kind of thought we'd take a little bit of a different approach and show you the blank canvas from the very beginning. This build in particular is going to be pretty good on all of the premium systems that we offer. So we're going to have the Van Life Tech floor, which offers radiant heat floors, forced air heat, and on-demand water, hot water. We're also going to put about 32 gallons of fresh water in here, and also power system is going to be 400 amp hours at 24 volts, which basically translates to around 10,000 watt hours, giving you about probably 4 to 6 days off-grid capacity, as well as the availability to run at least a couple of kitchen appliances at the same time. The other part of that is 3 points of charge, so alternator charging at high amp load, short power charging, and solar power charging. We're putting on about 405 watts on this build. Some of the exterior upgrades going to be putting the full back rack system on, so you'll have your equipment rack, storage box, tire rack, and then we're doing a full suspension upgrade on it as well from Van Compass, which would be a 2-inch lift with the reservoir frock shocks, new struts, and springs. So we're really excited about some of the systems and stuff that we're putting in here. We offer those premium systems in all of our builds. Stuff that we're really excited about in here is actually going to be the design, because we're kind of combining some Southwestern influences with some sort of Scandinavian influences. At least that's what our customer has kind of put out there for us to try to tackle. So enjoy the process of the build, as well as seeing some of the end results, which I'm sure will be a little bit different than what we're talking about now. But we're really excited about getting started on this, and enjoy the tour. Alright, well, welcome back. We're super excited about what we ended up doing in here. We definitely put our heart and soul into this with a lot of the design. We did a little bit as any custom build goes. There's a lot of changes throughout the process. We kind of started out with the idea of doing some Southwestern themed stuff, and we kind of moved more into a Scandinavian look. We included a lot of woods that we didn't really expect, so we have maple, spalted maple, walnut, wenge, and Shou Sugi Ban, which is kind of, you'll see in some of the different fades and different things that we did throughout the woodworking that we did in here. We also came up with some creative ways to do some a shower box, as well as do a pull-out bed. So because it's his full-time home, he could have a guest over or a host. So we're super excited about showing this off. He's actually showing up here any second. So enjoy the tour. If you have any comments, be sure to write us and ask any questions that you may have, and also give us a like and follow along with the adventures that we have here in the shenanigans in the shop. You can tell that we're constantly busy with some of the background noise that you hear, but thank you for your support, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.